Hi guys and girls out there, I just thought I'd give you a little quick tip on valve adjustment. This is my R1150 GS 2003, but I guess all the oil head motors are the same. I've got the rocket cover off, as you can see, and I see on a lot of videos that you should go and buy the BMW feeler gauges. They've got two inlets and two exhaust feeler gauges. Well, this is my quick tip. I just pulled the feeler gauges out. I think the inlet here is 0.15 millimeters and the exhaust is 0.3 millimeters for the gap. So I've just got my 0.15 millimeter feeler gauge here, and I can feel both of these. It fits in nicely, and I don't see any reason why I should go down to the BMW shop and buy their special feeler gauges when you can just take it off the stack of feeler gauges you've got here that you can buy from any auto shop. Thanks for listening.